Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious salsa ranchera that goes perfect with all of your favorite dishes, especially huevos rancheros. And let me tell you guys that you'll be able to find this recipe in my cookbook that will be released October 24th. And I'm also very excited to share with you the Barnes & Noble Rewards and Premium members get an additional 25% off all pre-orders from September 6th to September 8th, and Premium members get an additional 10% off. So make sure you go pre-order your copy using the link in the description box or by visiting barnesandnobles.com. So with that being said, let's get started to making this delicious salsa ranchera. Okay guys, on our pan over medium heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. We're just going to allow it to heat up. And once hot, we're going to add half an onion and 1 jalapeno sliced. And now we're just going to saute for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, we're going to add 4 Roma tomatoes cut in cubes. We're going to season with 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of oregano. And we're just going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add half a cup of El Pato tomato sauce, along with chopped cilantro and 2 bay leaves. Just mix it. Reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover it, and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our salsa ranchera is done. So here you want to taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and once we have our salsa, we can get ready for the fun part, serving. And today I'm just going to have it in huevo ranchero. So I have my tostada with the beans and of course the egg. And I was just going to top it with our delicious salsa. Oh my goodness. Very simple, yet very delicious. Just going to be adding a little queso fresco. And of course the avocado, but I don't have one. So pretend it's there. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this salsa, it's honestly super delicious, so easy to make, and it's a staple, and you should all know how to make this. You can make it in bistec. It's perfect for your breakfast burritos or, you know, of course, your huevo rancheros. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Forever, it will be one of my favorite salsas. It's so good. And if you want to make it spicy, of course, you can always adjust that. But for me, this is just honestly perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious salsa ranchera. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.